welcome to another beautiful episode of Nessie's Deep End. You are watching me live from Phuket, Thailand. My name is Nessie, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Over here we talk about cabin crew life as an African person, things that happen in my life, my lifestyle, and a lot. I just came back from an evening outing, so I'm about to take off my makeup, and I decided, let me just show people how I take off my makeup as a cabin crew, and the things I use basically. So these are my wipes. I use this. I got this from the duty-free shop in Airways, and then I use this one. I love both of them because they give me the best results ever. So these are like my main cleansing products. So I'll first take off my jewelry. Take it off. Just came back from work. This also has to go. Give me 1 second, I will be right back. So I got my wipes, so let's dig in. I got my bonnet, so this scarf would have to do. I'm using the mirror over here, so let's just do it this way. I'm beginning to look without makeup, but Charlie, I'm pretty. I like, regardless, I'm still gonna eat, so like, anyway, skin is giving. The lightning is I don't know, it's not, but please pardon me. I'll show you a close up in a bit. Hooray. So now that is done. Look how dirty this thing is now. Right. Then I go in with trying to get the best lighting so you can see what's happening on my face. All right. I'm so sorry. This cleanser has helped me because, as you can see, my skin is like very, very moisturized. It's so great. Alright, let it sit for about 5 minutes. Oh no, a minute. Let's rinse. For this one, I let it sit because of the vitamin C inside. I let it sit a little bit more on my face. I let it spend about maybe 2 to 5 minutes on my face. Yeah, because I love it. It makes my skin so moisturized. Vitamin C and all that. And it's a foaming cleanser, so you can expect more than this. I look like a ghost. Alright, so sit for 5 minutes, rinse, and then come back. So I always have a separate towel that I use. So I will go in with some skincare, but after I finish taking a shower. So I'm going to do that, brush my teeth, and then come and apply my skincare before bed. Stay tuned. So I'm done with my shower, my brushing my teeth and everything. I'm about to do skincare. And there you have it. So these things, I'm going to explain them like one by one. Yeah. All right. So let's go. So I use these 3 things. You know, I saw these ones on TikTok and then I decided to get them. So yeah, and how do you explain this? I bought them in Ghana. You can get them in every beauty shop, store, or whatever. Yeah. So let's get into it. I first go in with the toner, the skin toning. This is how it looks like. I'm going to be applying. And look how glowy my skin is. Like, look at that. Alright, so I'm done with this one. I'm going in with the to get my lighting correct, so please pardon me. I know this. Let's do that. So I can go in with moisturizer. So I can go in with moisturizer or not, but yeah, I'm going. This one I use on particular occasions, like, but then these two I use more regularly. Yeah. I'm going to use the moisturizer and then Okay, so for the moisturizer, someone gave me this one. I don't know. I mean, so far it's very good for me. You can use any moisturizer at all. Sometimes I use Vaseline as well. So because or shea butter, it's good for your skin, right? So we're going with a little of that. And I smother on my face. Necessary. Yeah. Yeah. And then last but not the least, I have my Vaseline lip gloss that I use. And it's, you know, when you apply lipstick all the time, you need to balance it out. So you need to let your lips heal. And how do you do that? You use Vaseline lip care. I trust Vaseline products. Like, they've been there since time immemorial. Anyway, so this is the end of my beautiful video. Look how glowy and pretty but I'm looking. It's been your one and only flight attendant cabin crew, aka you can say my name. Hi there. Anyways, it's been your one and only girl, Nessie. Please, if you have not subscribed, liked or shared my videos, you're doing me. Oh yeah, me. You're doing me. So I'm going to bed tonight thinking that you're going to subscribe, share and like. Please do so I can keep bringing you beautiful videos. Anyway, it's been your girl. I bring you another video another day. So have a wonderful time in your life and bye bye.